Magandang araw mga kababayan, naimbag na aldaw yung amin manen kakailian. Again, this is Sheila Dr. Hernandez, your licensed immigration advisor based in Timaru, New Zealand. In today's video, I will be explaining to you the proposed immigration policies for temporary workers that will take effect on August 2017. Okay, yung proposed changes for temporary workers this coming August will only affect yung mga essential skills work visa holders. Yung ibang work visas katulad ng work to residence, post-study work visa, employer-assisted work visa ay hindi affected ng bagong rules. There are 4 proposed new policies. So first, ito yung introduction ng salary threshold. Next, yun yung maximum duration of work visa with a stand-down period. And third, ito yung inability to support visas for partner and children. And fourth, yun yung seasonal workers will only be granted a visa on peak season, not a 1-year work visa. So, okay, to explain further, isa-isahin natin. So for the first salary threshold, let me explain muna yung ANSCO. So ANSCO is the Australian and New Zealand Standard Classification of Occupations. Ito yung reference ng Immigration New Zealand to check the skill level of a job at yung qualification and experience required to work in a specific job. Bago ko explain yung changes, let me explain muna yung current. So, under ANSCO, merong 5 skill levels. Skill level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skill level 1 being the highest and 5, yun yung lowest skill level. So, para masabi na ang isang tao ay high-skilled o low-skilled, sa ngayon is solely based sa ANSCO. Under sa ANSCO, ang skill level ng job mo ay skill level 1, 2, or 3, you are considered high-skilled. Kapag ang skill level mo ay 4 or 5, considered kang low-skilled. And just a note na aside from yung skill levels, ang salary requirement sa ngayon ay it should be within New Zealand market rate. So kung magkano ang binibayad sa mga New Zealanders, dapat ganun din dapat ang natatanggap na mga work visa holders. So pagdating ng August, ano-ano ba yung magiging changes? So to identify yung skill levels, whether high-skilled or low-skilled, hindi na lang ANSCO ang magiging reference. Meron ng required salary. So yung under high-skilled, ang ANSCO skill level 4 and 5 may now be considered as high-skilled kung ang worker is earning $35.24 per hour or 74,000 per year. Tapos, ang mga skill level 1 to 3 that are not earning at least $23.49 per hour will now be considered as low-skilled. So, yun yung main difference. So, ano bang magiging effect nito kung ang skill level 1 to 3 ay considered ng low-skilled or skill level 4 or 5 is now high-skilled? So, explain natin sa mga sa sunod na mga changes. Okay, so just to show an example kung ano-ano yung mga job or occupations ngayon na considered na ANSCO skill level 1. So, ito yung mga engineers, registered nurses, ICT analysts, at saka farm managers. Level 2 naman, mga chef, ICT technician, building inspectors. Skill level 3, electrician, baker, butcher, motor mechanic. And skill level 4, yun yung mga caregivers, scaffolders. And skill level 5, ito yung mga farm workers natin. So, sa current na setting, lahat ng mga occupations na ans ko ay skill level 1 to 3 ay considered high skilled. So, ang mga occupations na may ans ko skill level 4 and 5 are considered low skilled. Ngayon, some proposed changes, so a salary requirement will now be checked. So, for instance, ang chef, hindi lahat ng chef ay kumikita ng 49,000 a year. So, may mga chef na earning lower than that, so hindi na sila high skilled. They will be considered as low skilled. Okay. So, next, yung stand-down period. So, yung stand-down period, ang magiging affected lang dito ay yung mga low skill. And you will be issued only a maximum of 3 years essential work visa after the implementation date ng new policy. So, after 3 years, you are required to leave New Zealand for 1 year. Then, after 1 year, pwede ulit kayong mag-apply for another work visa. So, example, to illustrate, halimbawa, ang Essential Skills Work Visa, ang expiry date ay September 2017. So, pag nag-renew siya sa September, since nag-take effect na yung new policy, doon na mag-start yung bilang ng 3 years. So, maximum stay niya ngayon sa New Zealand ay from September 2017, 2018, 2019, at saka 2020. Yun yung 3 years. So, after 3 years, kailangan nyo nang lumabas ng New Zealand. Then, after a year, pwede ulit kayo mag-reapply ng panibagong visa. So, yung mga nagtatanong kung pwede pa bang mag-apply, pwede ba kayong mag-apply? Oo, pwede pa kayong mag-apply. So, meron pa kayong 3 years para mag-apply. So, within 3 years, ang goal nyo dapat ay paano mag-level up from low skilled to high skilled para hindi kayo maapektuhan ng mga bagong changes.